You look like a fairly intelligent person to me. So why does every other real estate agent think that just because they post that the real estate market is hot, that you're actually going to list with them? I'm Jim Flanagan, broker of record, Coldwell Banker Flanagan Realty, and this week I'm going to give you 5 blogs to read before you list your home. That's right, 5 blogs to read before you list your home. Ready? Let's start with blog number 1. The first blog is entitled, What Every First-Time Home Seller Should Know. So think back 5, 7, 10 years ago to the time when you bought your first home. Think about the emotional ups and downs, the roller coaster ride that you experienced buying your very first home. Remember that inspection report? So you're selling your first home, you want to remember what it felt like when you bought that home. Blog post number 2, what you need to know about those online home value estimates, most infamously, the Zestimate. Remember, and this is not a Flanagan original, I'm actually borrowing this from somebody, but the Zestimate can't smell the cat. Blog post number 2, everything you need to know about those online home value estimates. Blog post number 3, is selling your home right now a mistake? Remember, all those realtors that are telling you how hot the market is and what a great time it is to sell are pretty much worried about their own commission on this. Not all of them. I'm not making any broad statements here, but it may not be a great time for you. Read this blog post, number 3, and make the decision for yourself. All right, great, you're still with me. So we're on to blog post number 4, which is 5 emergencies that are actually normal when you're selling your own home. Again, it's an emotional process and everything seems like an emergency when it happens, but it's a process, so it's quite normal, and an experienced realtor has been through almost every single emergency you can think of. So blog post number 4, 5 emergencies that are actually normal. And last but not least, the 5th and final blog post, what every home seller should know about virtual showings. Remember, we're 7 months deep into this pandemic. So 7 months ago, we were thrust into the reality of virtual real estate. And some of us, unfortunately, still haven't embraced reality. Now, you'll find the link to all 5 of these blog posts up here if you're watching this video on Facebook, and down here if you're watching this video on YouTube, and if you're watching this video on Instagram, the link will be in the bio. And remember, if you're going to sell your house soon, you want to list with the realtor who not only knows the market, but knows how to market. And the rest of the day to yourselves.